Anyone can tell me what is HTML? Full form?
Hypertext markup language.
Hypertext markup language. Very good. Right. So now let me share my screen. So the advantage of HTML is it's a freestyle language. Okay, so you no need to follow any rule. Even whatever you want, it will take it. So it will not have any compilation error or something. Okay, now let's try to write some simple code. Okay, so I will go with Notepad++. I'm not using any special tool and just going to Notepad. Okay, so what I will do here is I will save this file as HTML. For example, test.html. Okay, I'm just saving it. Where I can save, see some temp folder. Where a test folder is there. Here I will save. Okay, so now I am writing it. Okay, so I'm just writing h1, no other code. Just I will say, and I'm closing. Right. So now my basic HTML code is ready. Okay, so how to run this? Okay, I'm going to no need any software, special software. I will go there, test. You can see one file is there, right? So I'm just double clicking it. Right. So no software is required to practice HTML. Okay. So for example, if I want to edit it, right? So I'm spelling it wrong, right? So I just do save. I will come here and I will refresh it. Got changed, right? So HTML is very easy to write a code. You no need any additional software. Directly you save it as HTML. Just the file name should be HTML. Then it will automatically, you can run it by just double clicking it. Now let's try something else. Okay. So I just want to create a login page, right? So for example, so there is one tag called input, right? Input type is equal to text, right? That's it. And name is equal to username. And I will close it. Just I created one input type is equal to text. This one is not, this one is optional part, but I just created it. Now I am coming here, refreshing it. What you can see, one text box is coming, right? So for example, I want to create login page, for example. Okay. So what I will do is just write a username. So I'm not going to teach you, it's just a demo. Okay. So you need to practice on it. Okay. Password, for example, I will write input type is equal to password. I will say name is equal to password. I will close it. Okay. So now if you are going here, you can see username and password is coming, right? So what is that mean? This type password is there, right? So what is the meaning of it? Is like when you're typing something, it will not, no one can able to see the data. If I'm typing some here, I can see, right? So you might have seen in all the log applications where you are logging in, right? So password will be hidden, right? So for example, if I want to add a button, right? Submit button or login button, what I will do is I will write input type is equal to submit and value is equal to, sorry, value is equal to, for example, I will write login. Right. So if I'm refreshing it, you can see login button is coming, right? It's very easy language. You can become master in 1 month if you are practicing. You will become super strong if you practice 1 month. And this website is enough to learn.
Yeah.
Understood, right? So for example, if you want to practice any of this, right? So for example, if you want some beautiful images or something need to be done, you can see here. Let me go to some example of image. Anywhere you are seeing image, let me know. Yeah, images, right? So here this website is there, right? Just how just I will copy this, right? So here I should have image location. Then only these images will come, right? So this image is coming only because of this tag, this location. If I'm changing this, right? So if I'm running it, image will disappear. Got it? So this one is very simple language where you can create many beautiful screens. Okay, it will not take much time to learn it. Okay, I would suggest everyone to try. I will give the basic. What is the thing is like this is having some optional rules. Okay, so always it should start with HTML tag. Okay, inside HTML, what should have? You should have head. All tags should have closed. If you are opening it, you must close it. How to close it? This open tag. How to close the tag? You need to have slash HTML. Right? This one is opening tag. This one is closing tag. Anything if you are opening, it's your responsibility to close it. Otherwise, beauty will go off. But it's not a problem with syntax. You can write whatever you want. It will not stop you. There is no compilation errors. Got it? So it's a free flow language. You can try whatever you want, right? So, but the basic rules is it should have HTML, open tag and close tag, and then it should have head. Again, head will be having open and close tag. Okay. Then head will be having title. Title should be open and close. Here you can write my window. Then you'll be having body. Sorry. This is called a tags, open and close tags. Got it? Each one will be having open and close tag. So I'm writing body now. I'm not going deeper here. I want you to learn this. A body. Body I will write H1. My name is Anis. H1 close. H2 software. H2. So now just I'm coming back to my page. Where is my page? Here. I will double click it. Yeah, here. Double clicking it. Right here you can see my window. Right, this is a title which I added. Right. So H1 is a bigger font. H2 is smaller font. Right. You can have H3 also, H4 also. Based on that, it will reduce the size. For example, if you are going here, So if you're writing here, the font will reduce. Got it, right? This one is the biggest font. This one is a small. And again, if you want to add colors, you can add colors also. Okay. For example, if you want to practice the code from here, right? In this page, for example, I want something good to be written. All right. So let me go to some complex. Yeah, table is here, right? So I just what I will do is I no need to do anything. I can copy paste this. Just I will change the body content here, right? Save. So I'm coming here to my window here. Oops, sorry. In my browser. Right? So I'm just refreshing it. You can see table is not proper because of CSS. I will come to it later. Okay, so where I'm missing, let me go back to code. This one I copied. This one, right? Table, yourself. See, this style is not copied. I will copy completely. Then you can see the difference. Body, table to table, right? I'm just saving it. Coming back to my window, just refreshing it. Got it, right? So it's a basic HTML. You can try whatever you want. You can try to create beautiful website by using HTML. Okay. So here one question. If we know HTML, we can create websites. So what is the advantage of using Java? Can anyone tell me?
How are you?
Hello. So what is the advantage of using Java to create websites? If you're already having HTML, you can create beautiful things, right? So I will show you. Let's go with some other example. I might have deleted it. Let's see. I think I deleted it. So I can create beautiful website by using HTML. I think I deleted it. Tomorrow I will show you some of the examples. But can you tell me if I am already having good things can be created by using HTML, then what is the advantage of using Java? Try it. See, it's just a try.
Multi-threading, exception handling.
Multi-threading. We can use HTML. Java, how you will create images, screens. I just want to know multi-threading is the advantage. That's a different JavaScript, right? So what I'm saying is, what is the advantage of creating website? I can create all the website by using HTML. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I can use the same thing for Java also by using Java also, right?
Yes.
So what is the main thing which is different between these two?
That is an object-oriented now.
That's not the case.
Java is a secure language.
Java is
Sir, by using Java, we can have build a business logic.
exactly.
It will run on backend
Yes, correct.
internally. But
So I will add something.
by using HTML, we have to show what we are have to doing in front end. I mean, if we create login page, if we
Mhm.
store data from database, it will access from Java only.
Very good. So you're saying something, someone else? Ragi Java is almost correct, but I want to listen from someone else. Someone want to try? Okay, let me pinch in. Right. See, there is one thing called static contents. Static content means, for example, when you are going out, you can see lot of ads, right? So ads will be, there are two types of ads. Like they will be having very big boards. They will attach some screens to that, right? So there you can see like only they will be having like क्या बोलते हैं उसे? Cinema posters. Posters will be there, right? They're adding posters. Okay, posters is for, they will be same, right? Until unless you are removing and adding any other poster, the poster will remain same, right? It's called static. Static means it will not have any actions. It just show you only the things which are there. It will not show you dynamic contents. But if you are attaching the screen, you can see like many places in trunk road also you can see like you are having a television, right? So television will be having, it's not a poster, right? You can, without changing the screen, you can show many things and different ads. So first one is a static content. Static content means it will not move. It will not do any action. If you want to change, you need to remove the page and you need to add the page, right? But when you are going to any television screen, so it's automatically changing, right? So whatever you want, you can change in back end. Front end will automatically show you those things. It's a dynamic contents. It's keep on changing the contents. Got it? So there is the same difference when you are using HTML. HTML is only a static content. Means it is always have static pages. Okay, so it will not do any actions. You can go from one page to another page, but it will not have anything. For example, if you want to save some data, right? So for example, you are entering some 1,000 employees records, that will not get saved in HTML. If you are using only HTML, you cannot save those records. But if you are using Java, from front end, you can take it and you can insert in database. So database, all the things I will explain in later. But the thing is like, you'll be having lot of things different. Like it's like a static websites, like by using HTML, you can create by using 500 rupees. If you are giving 500 rupees to someone, he will give you beautiful HTML website. Okay, so only 500 rupees is enough, and 500 rupees for launching. For 1,000 rupees, you can launch very beautiful website by using HTML. But it's only a poster. It will not do any actions. It will not save any data, right? Then let's see what is HTML. Okay, so we saw the HTML. Now we'll go with Java, right? Java or any other technology which are dynamic content, it's very costly. If you want to create one application, it will take some crores, right? So it's not very easy to develop. It's very expensive, and it should need lot of skills to develop Java applications, Java web applications. When compared to HTML, it's very easy to create. Just consider like adding poster and adding TV, how much the cost difference will come, right? So same thing here also. Java is very costly, and it is having lot of things. As Irfan said, it's having multi-threading. It's having as Sanaullah said, Sanaullah is Ragi Java, okay? So said like it's they are having uh, many things which we can save in DB, we can fetch from DB, right? So we can have a lot of actions can be done. We can send emails. We can change the content. For example, if I'm logging in Gmail, only my email should appear to me, right? When you are logging, your email should come to you, right? So these conditions, these sessions management, request response handling, all the things we can do by using Java or any other language. But HTML is only for beautification, only for showing the details. It is not having any dynamic capabilities or or any other database storage capabilities. Okay, so hope you understand these concepts, right?
Yes, sir.
So now, any question? See, I'm keep on stressing communication is important. Then Java is important. Then communication is important. If you are not understanding, please raise your voice. Everyone clear?
Sir,
No questions?
sir, what you have say I have seen yesterday, sir. But maybe I are wrong, so I won't tell you. I mean, HTML is a static, DHTML is a dynamic HTML.
Yes,
So
yes.
I won't say you that.
Yes,
So
yes. HTML is the basic version. Now we are having many things. They enhanced HTML also, and they are having a HTML. I told you, right? HTML is freestyle language. You can type
yes,
anything,
sir.
but if you are having higher version of HTML, HTML5 or DHTML, it will not
Yes,
accept whatever you are typing. You should follow the rules. Okay, I'm just talking about
yes,
HTML now, and we are having many other
Yes.
things also by using HTML in advanced. Like you can add scripts, JavaScript, and you can make it dynamic. Okay, so that's a different
yes,
story.
sir.
But
Yes.
basic HTML, it's a static one. Okay,
Okay, sir.
any other question? Are we good? Muzakir?
Guys, please feel to ask questions.
Yes.
If you have doubt, please clear it.
Feel free to ask questions. Tejaswini, are you clear?
Yes. Yes.
Ashifa,
Sir,
any questions?
no, sir.
Izwana,
No, sir.
okay. Now let's move to next step. So now I would recommend you to go to HTML. Try to spend complete day today only for HTML. Okay. So don't read Java also. So try to complete understanding on HTML only. I would suggest go with this website and try to learn how much you can learn. Okay, I would suggest try to create website also, basic website. So I will give you some tips. Okay, so for example, if I want to have some beautiful website, okay, if I want to create beautiful website in a 5 minutes, how I can do is I will go to Google. Just showing one example to you. Right here, I will say HTML. Okay, website template for free. Okay, then I will click it, right? So I can click it. I can click download here. But I'm just downloading it somewhere temp. Right? Then where I downloaded, okay. I go there. You can see I'm having this here, right? So I will just extract it. Right? Where it is. Okay, well.
Sir, I section, sir. I portfolio, empty, I mean file.
Yeah, I portfolio, right? So now you can see index HTML. If I'm double clicking it, this is a website with me. Understood, right? So this is a static website. If I want to change anything, if I want to add my photo here, I can add directly. So Alex Smith is there, for example. I can change my name. I will just go edit with Notepad++. If I want, I can modify whatever I want. See here,
Yes, sir.
drop down to about home resume drop downs. Right, Alex Smith is there. I can change it here. Anis Ahmed, Muhammad. Right, I'm just saving it.
Yes.
I will come here to this website. I'm just refreshing it. Right? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Here also I want, I can change. Even the images I want, I can change. So that's why it's very cheap to create website. We can create within a minute without any other software. I am not using any other software. You can see, right? For example, I am a freelancer. This one also I can search here. I get details. I can change it. Here I will write. Project information, whatever I want. All rights results, something. Even I don't want to waste time on this. You try on this, okay? So whatever you want, you can play with it, and it's very easy to do that. It's not a rocket science, okay? So whatever you want, you can change it. Again, I'm coming back here. I'm just refreshing it. Somewhere else, I think Anis Ahmed should come. I think portfolio here. See how much beautiful website I can create by using how much time? How much time it took to create? Right? So if I spend one day completely, I can add all my details. If I'm adding this website and I given to job search, how it looks. Understand, right? So HTML is very beautiful language, but it is only for static. If I want to change, I need to change the code. But if I'm creating this as website, by using login, for example, Anis is logging, Anis details will come. If Sanawul is logging, Sanawullah details will come. If Irfan is logging, Irfan details will come. Automatically, we can change it. But if you are using HTML, it's only for one person, right? So it will not have any dynamic content. You can say how this is getting changed, right? It's a basic thing. It's just a JavaScript, and they are using to change this value. Okay, but it is still not a dynamic website. It's a static only. It is not having any database. I just copied, pasted, and it's working fine, right?
Yes, sir.
So can anyone try like this websites tomorrow and will show me? Just add your names. If I want, I
Okay.
will give you this link. You can download and you can try with your images and your photos. Okay. Any questions? I think Irfan is expert in this. Irfan is having a front end experience. So if you want, you can take inputs from him as well. Ragi Java.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I know, sir. He told me.
Any other thing? So I'm not going to add more details now. So I would strongly recommend you to completely spend today's time in HTML.
HTML.
So I will tell you, as Irfan yesterday, I'm speaking with Irfan. So he told like everyone got installed Tomcat, but some people are struggling to run it, right? So I will tell you what are the challenges will come when you are running the Tomcat. Okay, so when you are downloading the Tomcat, right? So from where you are downloading, that's also important. Okay, so first here Apache Tomcat 10, right? So download. You can find many things. Go with 64-bit window, not 32. 32-bit is older systems. Okay, go with the 64-bit Windows, right? So you can use this one also, embedded also, anything. Okay, so you can go with always a zip if you want a Windows. Okay, so once you are downloading it, right? So it will come like this. I showed you, right? So E, you can see software. I'm having all the Tomcats. Okay, so once you are extracting, it will come like this. So once you are coming here, right? So you can run, you need to type here CMD, okay, command line. Here you can go to cd bin and startup.sh or startup.bat. Tomcat will run. Okay, so it's not running now. You can see it failed, right? But because I'm having the same port is running. So if someone already downloaded and not able to run, can they share the screen? I will help them to fix it. Or you want to try tomorrow? So who installed Tomcat? Anyone install Tomcat? It's running for you, Ashifa?
Yes, sir, it's running, sir.
Very good. Who else? Sharmila?
No, sir.
So download and
Yeah.
try to run it.
Today I will
If
try,
it is
sir.
not running, we'll fix it. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Muzakir?
Sir, installed, sir.
It's running.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So initially you will face some challenges. You need to have Java also to run Tomcat. Okay? So please make sure that it's running for us. Okay? Any other questions? Let me stop my thing.
Sir, is tomorrow offline class?
I'm planning to take it because we are a bit slow. So tomorrow I am planning to take little extended class.
Okay, sir.
So and I strongly recommend to come offline. Okay.
I will come to offline, sir, tomorrow.
Yeah. So if it is not
Today also
raining,
I am ready, but I saw a message.
yeah, good. So for you only
Okay,
I
sir.
kept the message yearly because you are traveling from there, right? So
Yes, sir.
I strongly recommend everyone, even I will encourage, see, because of some challenges, we are having gaps, right? So even if you know the friends who were previously part of it and they are missing the classes, please try to pull them, okay? So that we can have um, a big crowd in our classes, okay? Because the thing is like this one is a starting of advanced Java. Even someone who are already completed the course of core Java, they also can attend this. Okay, so try to spread your my message to them so that we can have offline class tomorrow, and I will try to take little more. Even I am planning for SQL, which is independent of our Java language, right? So that also I'm planning next week. Okay. So please try to encourage other people to join. Okay. Irfan, you are having any questions?
No, sir.
I saw your hand is raised.
I didn't turn it off. Turned it off.
Yeah. And stop recording, and I want here to take your questions for today.